Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to swap USDT to Solana on Phantom Wallet. And subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, this first, and open App Store and click on search and write Phantom Wallet. Okay, and click on this Phantom Crypto Wallet and check developer Phantom Technologies and click on get and click on install or click on update. Alright, and finish install, get, update, and open Phantom Wallet and simple registration, save security phrase, and open your wallet. One moment. Okay, open wallet and click on swap this. Okay, and you receive USDC. Click on this and select USDT and click on change place this. Alright, and you pay USDT, you receive SOL and right amount, and click on swap crypto. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.